The same offer can feel life-changing to one person and completely unappealing to another. The difference isn't in the product, the price, or the features. It's in how it's presented. Framing is a subtle psychological tool that changes perception, influences decisions, and makes offers irresistible without altering a single fact. Today, you'll learn the strategies used by top negotiators, marketers, and leaders to frame offers in a way that makes them sound more valuable, urgent, and desirable. Framing is about context, perspective, and emphasis. Example, saying, "This plan has a 90% success rate," feels better than "there's a 10% chance of failure," even though both are technically true. The way information is presented guides perception, influencing choices before logic even weighs in. Positive framing emphasizes gains and benefits, while negative framing highlights losses or risks. Example, positive, "Sign up today and boost your productivity by 40%. Negative, "Don't sign up and your productivity won't improve." Even small changes in phrasing can shift emotions and decisions dramatically. Framing works hand in hand with emotional anchors. The first impression or statement sets the baseline for perception. Highlighting value or benefits early creates a positive anchor that influences all subsequent judgment. Example, presenting a subscription plan as $5 a day rather than $150 per month feels smaller, more manageable, and more appealing. The way you frame an offer can turn objections into agreements. Example, instead of saying the price is $1,000, say for $1,000 you get full access to features that usually cost $2,500 elsewhere. The facts are the same, but the perceived value skyrockets. Humans fear losses more than they value gains. Framing can leverage this. Highlight what someone might miss if they don't act. Present scarcity or urgency to make offers feel more compelling. Example, only 3 spots left, secure your place now, makes people act faster than we have 100 spots available. Framing becomes powerful when comparison is introduced. Present options relative to each other to guide perception. Highlight the superior choice subtly. Example, our premium plan costs $50, but it includes $200 worth of value. The standard plan costs $30, but only includes $50 of benefits. People feel they are making a smart, rational choice, even though the framing directed them there. Presentation isn't just words, visuals matter. Graphs, images, and layouts shape perception. Showing growth trends or before and after results frames outcomes as desirable. Example, showing a before and after efficiency chart makes improvement feel tangible, even if the numbers alone wouldn't excite someone. Stories create emotional frames. People relate to narratives more than raw facts. A well-framed story builds context and highlights benefits naturally. Example, instead of stating, "This software saves 10 hours a week," tell a story of a team member who went from stress to freedom thanks to the software. Positioning offers to align with someone's self-image enhances appeal. Example, this plan is for ambitious leaders who want to achieve more without working longer hours, appeals to identity, not just features. Framing in alignment with values creates instant resonance. The order in which information is presented affects perception. Lead with benefits or high-impact statements. Follow with supporting facts. Close with emotional reinforcement. Example, in a sales call, start with the transformation the client will experience, then share pricing, then close with a success story. Framing is powerful, but it must remain ethical. Focus on highlighting benefits and context, not deceiving or exploiting. Ethical framing builds trust and long-term influence. Example, show the genuine value and relevance of your offer rather than exaggerating results. Even minor words or numbers can shift perception dramatically. Example, Only 2 weeks left to join sounds more urgent than deadline approaching in 14 days, even though both are true. Language, tone, and phrasing are small levers with big impact. Framing isn't just for sales or negotiations. It works in conversations, presentations, and decisions everywhere. Job interviews, team meetings, and even personal requests are shaped by how you present ideas. Proper framing increases clarity, engagement, and agreement. Example: "I'd love your feedback on this idea" feels inviting, whereas "you need to approve this" triggers resistance. Repetition strengthens perception. Reinforce key points using different angles or examples. Visuals, anecdotes, and statistics all anchor the same message. Example: during a product demo, repeat benefits across stories, testimonials, and metrics to make the frame unforgettable. Questions can frame perception subtly without making statements. Instead of saying, "This plan is expensive," ask, "Would you prefer a solution that costs less but delivers half the value, or one that maximizes results for a small extra investment?" Framing through questions guides thinking and makes the audience arrive at the conclusion themselves. This technique works in negotiations, sales, and everyday conversations because people feel empowered when they choose, even if the frame leads them. Framing isn't just about the present, it's about how people perceive future outcomes. Highlight long-term benefits and transformation rather than just immediate features. Example: by investing now, in 6 months you'll save 200 hours and double productivity, creates a future-focused frame that makes the offer more appealing. Anchoring people to positive future results strengthens decisions, builds excitement, and increases commitment, all without adding pressure. The way you present an offer can change how it's perceived entirely. The facts may stay the same, but the frame changes everything. When you master framing, people see value before they analyze details. Offers feel more attractive without altering the facts. Conversations, negotiations, and presentations become naturally persuasive. Framing works because the human brain looks for meaning first, logic second. The initial lens you provide becomes the reference point for everything that follows. Present a price as an investment, and it feels strategic. Present a challenge as an opportunity, and it feels motivating. Remember, facts matter, but perception decides. Frame wisely, and the results will follow.